Hello Zeta here, welcome back to The Farm Was Replaced. So, I did a little bit, so I lost my footage because I forgot that one of the shortcuts was on the equals key. So yeah, so we got variables, so we can now store information. So for the next one we need 200 of hay and then 100 carrots. I was kind of setting it up so we can get like 1,000. Well, that might be a bit overkill, so let's actually set this to like 500. Same with food and same with carrots. Now to get the carrot seeds, we'll actually need wood and hay. So we need to look at how to automate that. So it's like if we do max carrots, so if number of items, so items dot carrot seed, so this looks at this amount, this one. Pretty sure. Yeah. Then is lower than max carrot seeds. Trade items carrot seed. So one wood, one hay into carrots. Yeah, this can't run anymore because it's completely out. We don't have food supplies. So now we need to set this up so it looks at hay first. And I might want to see if I can make... Can we make functions? It'll be easier to do instead of using the main. Getting started first program. Is it in here? Give price, move drone. That's external editor. Nope. Available functions. Oh, that's all of it. Debug, benchmark. Oh, functions is the next one. Define your own functions. So we need to unlock it. So we need 200 hay and 100 carrots. That's why. So for now, we'll separate this out. So change this to hay. Then use the max hay value. So we got that out, put it in here. Then we do while true. So let's just copy this for now. This looks at the world size. That's movement. So if can harvest, harvest. This is the trade item which we don't need anymore. So if get ground type equals soil, it places it is all carrots. Which we don't need at all. And we don't need the plant. Just need a harvest function. Let's run this for now, so we get all the carrots and not destroy it. And then we do a set. I don't even know why I have this. So this will just run indefinitely. And we can just close this, doesn't matter. Now I kind of want to do the same thing for the other one, so we do carrot. Oh, I might just put this into the carrot thing itself. So it runs through it. So we go maximum. No, let's do this in a different way. Generate another one. I forgot we need woods first. So wood at first, so we get the maximum wood supply. Then we take the same one. But this stays the same. but instead we don't need a trade. We need this ground soil. I don't think it needs to look at it. But in a way we could make it so if it's not. No, that wouldn't work. That this doesn't. Also, we don't need a till. But we can do plant bushes. So it's harvest, then plant. So instead we. I was gonna mess up the order by doing this. Oh yeah, it has complete control now. So we can hook this onto this one. We'll have our own different type. Oh, I did forget something. Nothing looks at the total amount yet. Let's modify this one. Or no, that should be on the other side, wouldn't it? Or on this. Yeah, I think I should put that back. And get that in the main. Yeah, that doesn't matter. Let's put this back. Oh. I think this is better. Doing it this way. What did we need for this? 100 carrots. Next carrot seed, carrot seed. Oh yeah, this is just carrot seeds. At least for now, and I'm gonna implement that in this one. So we'll actually keep the carrot seeds maxed out. So I'm just gonna put it in here. While through, take this again. So this will actually look at the can harvest and if it can use it. It is way better. So it looks at the ground. If it's not soil, then till. Because before it was tilling the already tilled soil and converting it back. So I modified it so it now does if not ground soil, then till, and then plant. And then if it, in a way this is else, because this will break, if this isn't, like, if it ends up not being true, then it skips it and goes to the planting phase. So skips it completely. Now before we do this, I kind of want to implement this one into here. So we want at least this code be here and put a small space between. And then we do if so immediately when this starts, we do an if number of item seeds is lower than max carrot seeds, then trade and that's separate from this. Will this actually work the way I'm thinking? The indentation is wrong. Oh, this broke. This should be like this. Let's do a should probably just do this. Clear. I said clear. All at once. Now let's see, does this work? Oh yeah, it works. I feel like I get a surplus for some reason. But yeah, it should go up until it hits 100. But I want to see if I need to use an else, or if I can just break. Because this will break if it's false. And I want to see if that actually changes it. If it even matters. No, I should still have the... No, I need to have the CanMax caret in here. Because this will keep running until it's done. Oh, and this should be 99. I was off by 1. I think. Or it's just not responding to it? Still on 102. Oh, yeah, it can go down. Can it? Well, that doesn't make sense. Put this on 90. What does it do then? I keep getting more seeds. Yeah, it's skipping the trades. You get your seeds back. Like, I put it on 90 and I haven't lost any of the seeds. I think you get your original seeds back. Good thing. But I want this. Define your own functions. So you've already seen built-in functions like harvest. Now you can also define your own functions. Use the def keyword to define a new function. Def. Then name it. Then call it the function to execute the function code. This allows for easy code reuse. You can also pass values to a function that specify what the function should do. For example, the following code moves the drone. Oh, you can put it through. Oh, that's really useful. Because then I can just have it here. Pass it through the code itself. Say it needs max haze should be this value. Yeah, that should work really well. Use the return keyword to make a function return a value. For example, the following function defines the exclusive OR operation. The exclusive OR is true, exactly one value is true and the other one is false. Def XOR A and B, return A and B. If XOR is true, yeah, so you define A as true and B as false in your when you write the function. And then on the other code you put in the actual value and that takes these. Functions are values just like any other value. And the def statement just acts like an assignment statement, assigning the function to whatever name you give it. This means you can do wild things like this. Def f. Oh, wait, it does the same. Oh, it loops the thing into itself. So it's saying function f activates function d, but also has the do a flip inside of it. And then it returns d. So that means that if you run d, it will also run do a flip. on the looks of it. This also causes that the f function now has two parameters, one for f and one for d. This is really awkward to use, I'm guessing. Don't remember your code fully. Here, f calls the function f, which defines and returns a new function d. The second parameter then executes the returned function and performs flip. You probably shouldn't do things like this because it's hard to read. Unlike Python, functions defined in the global scope or any open file can be called by their name, even if def statement was never been executed. Yeah, I don't like that it keeps going. Can I turn it off? I'll watch it. Nope, nope, nope. No, I want the floaty. Oh, I didn't even know there was shortcuts for this. Oh, I want the floaty controls not to be there, but it doesn't look like I can. Oh well, like I don't like this. But this means that I can use these values back into it. So max carrot seed can be put through. I'll do this in a row. That's what I'm guessing I should do. Or I run the function, use the controls in here. So I think I should just do an entire row, then check again. Let's just do this the way I think I should do it. So I don't need this. Like all this code is useless. I do want a max seed. So let's actually get the first hay control. Collapse this, put it right there. Want that to be in order. This is just carrot seed. Don't need anymore. Just delete it. Fine. Yeah, I know. I don't care. Oh, I need to make the function first. So we do def. And we make it into the, what should we name this? Just A. Then we encapsulate this. Then I want the max. Put in. Then we do of this all side by one. Now if I call hey, is this how it works? Then we import the max e value. Also, why is that not capitalized by one? I don't like that inconsistency. I need to change this as well. Never defined, so I'm doing something wrong. Oh wait. This. Now if I call this returns it. Do I need to put the return in? Or can I just state this? Make a function return a value. Let's do turn. Never defined. I'm misreading how this works. This returns the the dev key would define a new function. Dev then name it. So I'm making the one in here, and I want to call it in here. What it says is never defined. It's this one, isn't it? I want to copy this inside of here. Well, something's running now. So it is linked. I need to move this up by one. Too much indentation. Oh, I can't return it. It looks like it's not being used, so then why even need to return? No, I don't. That was the problem. I was returning the same value back into itself. And now it's just doing the harvest. Now the maximum should be inside of here. We should do if max it's higher or equals to. Oh wait, I'm doing this wrong. Right. Yeah, I'm doing this wrong. It's lower than or equal to. Can do this. Then we should probably do here else. Wait. Not a valid text. Oh wait. Oh yeah, I need to call. I'm being an idiot. I need to look at the total. So it's in census. This one, num items. If num items is lower than or equal to max. was break. Golden. Now I don't remember how to use this. But it should just run the colon. Must be colon at the beginning of every code block. Operator cannot be used on the number items max. Oh, because it's non-items. Because I did not specify which item. So we go items dot a. Will be used on the operator onto the end max. Shouldn't that be lower than? Those it's 130. Max should be 500. Because I... Oops. Oh, I can reverse it. What is wrong? That will roll. Clear. They didn't work. Yeah, so why can't I use breaks? Yeah, that doesn't work at all. Well, it doesn't seem to be. Yeah, it doesn't go into this code at all. Because it doesn't know what to do with this. How to fix this? Pretty sure that's how I should do this. Operators. Not the lower than, yeah. Comparison operators. It's lower than. But it says it can't use it. And I do this. And this should put this value straight into it. Unless I need to assign it first before I can use it. Another thing, do I need to do max? Doesn't make sense. Oh wait, did I do... Why is that a capitalized max? Oh, maybe that's why. Did I do the? Oh yeah, that's the reason. Capitalized, non-capitalized, and oh well, figured that out at least. Now it should run until it hits 500. Figured it out eventually. Kind of can I? Yeah, you can't zoom out on this. So way too big. That's a speed up. And farm out slower. But it should run until it hits 500, then it breaks. Oh wait, why is it breaking like this? Wait, why? Look, it should go build size, move that many times up, and then after it's outside of that range. Oh, I see. I think this is in the wrong spot. Yep. I was like, why is it doing that? But now I see. Outruns. This is way better. Want to see what happens when it hits the 500 mark. Yeah, now it stops. Not hitting the break. I just noticed. Oh, because it's in if can harvest, not yeah. Now it's constantly breaking the code. So the code can't run. But still runs north. Where it kicks it. Yeah, that runs pretty well. And now to do that for all of the other ones. So this will actually keep up a certain amount, then break out of it, and keep going. So in a way, if I break, I should be able to do a clear as well. Oh, and this one's not important, but for like wood, carrots, I should probably put in, after it's finished, just erase. And then start over. So the next code line will be completely separate. And then we can do this for wood, carrots, stuff like that. And then pull it. So you just do the next command, pull it after this. You feed in the maximum amount again, or whichever value you need. So if it's max carrots, max seeds, you feed it through the same amount into the other code line, and then you feed it. So in a way, you feed it back as a return value. But yeah, that's it for this episode. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.